Picture this: a giant, complex factory machine, one that powers an entire operation, suddenly breaks down. The alarms are blaring, workers are rushing around, and the factory owner is panicking. Every second the machine stays offline costs thousands of dollars. Desperate, the owner calls in a seasoned engineer. The engineer arrives, toolbox in hand, and quietly begins inspecting the machine. Minutes later, he stops, pulls out a screwdriver, and adjusts a single screw. Suddenly, the machine sputters and roars back to life. The factory is saved. The owner is thrilled until he sees the invoice. A staggering $10,000. Furious, he demands an explanation. The engineer calmly replies, "Turning the screw, $1. Knowing which screw to turn, $9,999. Too often, we confuse activity with achievement. This isn't just a story. It's reality for IT professionals everywhere. When a server is down and the company is losing millions, it's not the hours spent troubleshooting. It's the one decision that fixes the issue that matters. When your database is running slowly, the real value isn't in running endless tests. It's in the administrator who rewrites a query, cutting execution time from hours to seconds. When cloud costs spiral out of control, it's the cloud architect who knows exactly how to optimize resources and save thousands. These moments of precision and expertise are what separate busy work from meaningful impact. To all the technical professionals out there, don't let anyone undervalue your work. The years of learning, the late nights debugging, the constant updates to stay ahead of technology, they all lead to those moments when you can turn the right screw and deliver results. You are not just someone who fixes things. You're a problem solver, a creator of value, and a driver of success. And that, my friends, is worth every penny.